We about to hit the jewelry store and switch these pendants. We're gonna put this one on this one right here, because it's the only one that'll fit the rope. And then we're gonna put this one on this one right here, so it'll be smaller. So this one will be down here, and this one will be up here. Catch my drift? But how we getting there? That's the best part about it. I don't know if y'all can read that close. Yeah, not that 2020 Can-Am Riker Rally 900. And no, it's not silver and black. That's just the color it came. Wheels. That's how you know it's rally. You want to test me? Go check yourself. Yeah, that's what we about to hop on, y'all. Check this out, though. Check this out. Yeah, that's what he is. Boom. Pretty sweet, ain't it? Yeah, I know. It was intentionally, it wasn't an accident. It wasn't an accident. We don't do this type of shit on an accident. Shut this door. We're gonna hop on the Riker. And we're gonna go change these pendants up. So I ain't riding and filming, so I'll catch y'all in a minute. Alright, so y'all remember the chains. I don't know, we can get a little light. When I went to go get them switched. Yeah, so they put this one on here and this one on here. Y'all know how they look beforehand. But yeah, that's the way they are now. Little one on little chain, big one on big chain. Yes, sir. I'm using partners in big numbers. I got my homegirl Queen Honor. She's been 100, I still told my homegirl, bitch, you better not change on me. Streets talking, favorite rapper, got some change on me. Look, you better not change on me. 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 Nah, right. You better not change on me. You better not change on me. Smokey, you better not change on me. Big nigga, you better not change on me. Go on, you better not change on me. Yep. They say you gon' change, I tell them why. Got hit 6 times, I died in front of my mama eye. 2 nights she ain't my kind, and when the sun don't shine, on a Sunday, May saying straight, I'm gon' die on that one way. My nigga told me someday. Record, push it, it's off, record, it's on. That's off and on. Alright, you ain't gotta do no zooming in. I'm gonna hit you right now, back it out. you for ride with you. I'm covered.
Oh no, I can't have that. Can't have that in the beer. That's illegal.
Phil Jackson. The way my family asking, I feel like a Jackson. Can I live? I gotta wear my pistol like a fashion. I know who real, I know who classic, I know who steal, I know who jacking, I know who kill, I know who strapping, I know who swill, I know who rad it. This shit real, it ain't all rap. This is my life. I told Ryder, man, he better not change on me. I know them pussy niggas still got that street talking favorite rapper, got some change on me. Better not change on me. Better not change on me.
11th or what?
Yeah. Follow me when I get out.
Demanding you send the ransom. Favorite colors, red and white. Love snow, but I'm not a fan.
Yeah, take a right.
Favorite rapper, got some change on.
Get on the street and burn it.
No more burning.
Yeah, he fucking up the tires. Yeah, that bitch beautiful. That's the man behind the cam.
Huh?
Nah, that's, you going even forward, back up. Push it backwards. Yeah. Where this nigga at? Nigga, I don't want to be a... Shit, I ain't trying to be... It's still the same fun, nigga. It ain't lost not a little bit of fun. We call this. Why niggas always gotta live at the top.
Look at this crazy ass nigga right here. Look at my bro. Look at my OG bro. If y'all don't know who that is, y'all don't know nobody. What up, bro? Love, nigga. What you doing?
No shit, man.
Chilling. Oh, that's you on the fire? Okay, I've seen it out there. What you got? Some little turkey burgers? Some beef burgers? Okay. Yeah. Big crip. Big blood. Hey, we all together around this motherfucker. GD.
Chicago.
Ass on her. My battery about to go dead.
The ones that start like Drizzy was cool, but we even. Man,
Can't even see your light skin. Can't even
4,
see.
6, 8, watches factory.
See your glasses.
Appreciate crown in my hand, and I'm really playing keep away. Don't even usually get this big without a beaver face. And wanted to stay on tape. Join our fire department on Twitter. Serious XM the heat.
Quit driving my car like this.
I didn't see the jet.
That's why you don't need to drive, because you can't see.
Look that on that heat. No masterpiece. 10 bad, then they after me. Let the candle look.
What's going down with it?
Oh, that's gonna have a little cold with it.
Man, I can dig it. What's happening with it?
Thank you, man. Thank you. Have a good one. Thank you. Hey.
Tell me how I look.
Hold the stick.
How I look?
Oh,
Can you see me clearly?
Yeah, I do.
Yeah, man.
I do.
Good, man. Yeah. That's my man right there, man. Come grab that liquor store, get you something to drink, man. Close in 10 minutes. 10 minutes?
Thank you.
How you been?
Good, you?
I'm good.
Thank you.
Yes, sir. All right. That motherfucker's sweet, man. VIP can't even see in the windows and shit, man. Oh, we can finally see her. That's who her was. Oops. Now you can't see her no more.
And disappeared.